Attention, hustlers! Are you ready to discover the ultimate money-making machine that can bring in up to $3,000 a month or more? Get ready to unleash the power of Google Bard and AI as we reveal the secrets to building a lucrative online business that will have cash flowing into your bank account like never before. In this mind-expanding video, we're diving deep into the world of Google Bard and AI to uncover the proven strategies, untapped opportunities, and insider tricks that will supercharge your income and leave you living the life of your dreams. Get ready to witness the future of online wealth creation and join the ranks of successful entrepreneurs. Buckle up and let's dive into this money-making revolution. Welcome to the General Finance channel, where we're committed to helping you take control of your finances. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with practical tips and insights on credit management, budgeting, and investing. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Let's start our journey to financial freedom together, right here on General Finance. Number 1. Debug code. Programming and development can be challenging, and at times, professionals in these fields may require assistance in debugging their code. When programmers and developers find themselves overwhelmed with workload or facing stubborn code issues, AI tools like Google Bard can offer invaluable support. Bard can assist in debugging code more efficiently than relying solely on manual efforts. With AI assistance, you can expedite the identification and resolution of programming errors, saving valuable time and effort. To effectively utilize Bard for code debugging, it's crucial to learn and understand the appropriate prompts that yield the desired results. AI prompts can help in identifying potential bugs, suggesting possible solutions, and even providing explanations for complex programming concepts. By honing your skills in using Bard's prompts, you can enhance your debugging capabilities and become a sought-after resource in the programming community. The demand for skilled code debuggers is significant, as programmers and developers often require expert assistance to overcome coding challenges. Platforms like Fiverr offer job listings specifically for debuggers, where you can showcase your expertise and offer your debugging services to clients. Alternatively, you can create your own Fiverr listing, effectively marketing your skills and attracting clients who are in need of code debugging assistance. By establishing yourself as a reliable and proficient debugger, you can generate a steady income from your services. Number 2. Start a blog. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money online. One lucrative avenue is starting a blog, where you can leverage the power of Google Bard and AI chatbots to create engaging content and generate a steady income. With the help of AI technology, you can streamline your content creation process, boost your blog's visibility, and monetize it effectively. AI chatbots, such as Google Bard, can be your reliable content creation assistants. They enable you to generate high-quality content at a faster pace, allowing you to produce a significant volume of blog posts. By consistently delivering valuable content, you can improve your search engine rankings and attract more readers to your blog. There are various monetization strategies to turn your blog into a profitable venture. Display ads, Google AdSense, sponsored content, and affiliate links are just a few avenues to explore. These methods offer opportunities to earn revenue through advertising, partnerships, and commissions. On average, bloggers make around $51,971 per year, equivalent to approximately $4,330 per month, showcasing the potential for substantial earnings. Once your blog is up and running, Google Bard can become your ally in promoting and growing your readership. This AI chatbot can provide valuable insights on building a mailing list, creating captivating newsletters, and devising effective social media campaigns. Leveraging Bard's recommendations and expertise can help drive targeted traffic to your blog, enhancing its visibility and boosting your earning potential. Number 3. Provide social media management services. Social media has become an integral part of businesses' marketing strategies. As a result, the demand for social media management services is on the rise. Social media management involves overseeing and optimizing the social media presence of businesses and organizations. This includes creating and curating engaging content, scheduling posts, monitoring audience interactions, analyzing performance metrics, and implementing effective strategies to achieve marketing goals. By offering social media management services, you can tap into a growing market and earn a substantial income. Google Bard comes to the rescue in social media management by providing invaluable support in content creation and optimization. With Bard's assistance, you can generate engaging content tailored for platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and more. From generating photo ideas to crafting scripts for videos, Bard's AI capabilities can save you time and streamline your social media management process. By utilizing AI tools like Bard, you can optimize publishing schedules, improve content quality, and enhance overall social media performance. The ability to generate fresh ideas, analyze audience engagement, and implement effective strategies gives you a competitive edge in delivering exceptional results for your clients. This, in turn, can help you build a strong reputation and attract more clients to your social media management services. Number 4. Become a content writer. If you have a passion for writing but running your own blog doesn't appeal to you, fear not. You can still harness the power of Google Bard and AI tools to make money as a content writer. Content writing offers a rewarding avenue to make money. Freelance writers earn an average of $24.22 per hour. And the top 9% in the field can earn over $100,000 per year. By honing your writing abilities and leveraging AI tools, you can position yourself for lucrative writing opportunities. Google Bard can be your trusty companion in every aspect of content writing. It can assist you in finding writing jobs, crafting compelling cover letters, outlining articles, and conducting SEO research. With Bard's support, you can streamline your writing process, save time, and deliver high-quality content to your clients or publications. While some publications and websites have restrictions on using AI to write or outline articles, there is a growing demand for writers specializing in engineering AI prompts. These prompts serve as a foundation for informative and engaging articles, which are then edited by human writers. By collaborating with AI tools, publications can expedite content creation while maintaining the human touch. If you're already earning money as a content writer, integrating AI tools like Google Bard can enhance your productivity. By leveraging AI assistance, you can produce more work, write articles at a faster pace, and ultimately increase your earning potential. For aspiring writers, now is an opportune time to enter the field as an AI specialist, tapping into the growing demand for AI-driven content creation. Number 5. Develop an app, website or software. If you possess basic coding skills and the ability to engineer AI prompts, you have the opportunity to bring people's ideas for games, apps, websites, or software to life. Many individuals have innovative ideas for apps, games, or websites but lack the technical expertise or time to turn their visions into reality. By offering your development skills, you can bridge this gap and help bring their ideas to fruition. Whether it's creating mobile apps, websites, or software, there is a constant demand for skilled developers who can transform concepts into functional and user-friendly digital solutions. AI chatbots, like Google Bard, can play a valuable role in the development process. They can assist you in various aspects, such as generating ideas, providing insights on user experience, offering code snippets or templates, and even aiding in testing and debugging. Leveraging AI chatbot assistance can streamline development tasks, enhance productivity, and ultimately result in faster delivery of high-quality apps, websites, or software. As a developer, there are multiple avenues to monetize your skills. One option is to offer your development services on platforms like Fiverr, where you can advertise your expertise in creating apps, websites, or AI chatbots. Building a reputation as a reliable and talented developer can lead to repeat clients, referrals, and an expanded client base. Positive client reviews and successful projects contribute to establishing your brand as a go-to expert in the development industry. Over time, you can scale up your business by taking on more projects, hiring a team of developers, or expanding your offerings to specialized areas, thereby increasing your earning potential. Congratulations! You now have the tools and knowledge to tap into the incredible earning potential of Google Bard and AI, enabling you to earn up to $3,000 or more per month. But this is just the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the power of Google Bard and AI is at your fingertips, and the sky's the limit when it comes to your income potential. So keep pushing forward, keep learning, and let's achieve financial abundance together. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.